everyone. This week on MOP Mojo, the caste census that we have been hearing in news for almost months. So, what is census? A census is a complete count of a population that includes social and economic information such as age, population, and income. This is supposed to be conducted once in every 10 years in India. So, what is caste census? Caste census is the demand to include caste in the census. Proponents of this idea claim that it would be useful for providing appropriate reservations for marginalized communities such as SC, ST, BC, and OBCs. In India, the caste census was conducted only once after the independence, and that was in 2011. Before that, for welfare schemes and reservations, we used the 1931 census, which was conducted during the British regime. Here is a brief history of the caste census. According to the Census Act 1948, the central government cannot enumerate caste in the census except for SCs and STs. In 1990s, the government came up with Mandal Commission, which proposed recommendations for the reservation of OBCs, which led to the formation of the caste census in 2011. The resolution that proposed the caste census was passed in the parliament where both the parties, the BJP and the Congress, were present and they both agreed to the resolution. However, the 2011 caste census was a failure due to lack of clarity and many controversies around the caste, that some being left out. That's the background. Why is it currently in the news? The BJP in the recent years shown reluctant towards the idea of conducting caste census, claiming it will lead to social divisiveness and uproot the unity in the country. But one of the NDA's allies, the Janata Dal United, led by Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, conducted a caste census in that state in 2022. Following this, they sought reservation for OBCs in 2023 in the Patna High Court. But the Patna High Court dismissed the amendment. So, they moved Supreme Court in 2024. So, you can see that the Janata Dal United becomes a trailblazer to seek caste census despite currently being in an alliance with BJP. Following Bihar, Andhra Pradesh conducted caste census in January 2024 under YSR Congress Party's regime. But after the assembly election in Andhra Pradesh this year, the Telugu Desam Party formed the government and it also formed alliance with the NDA, which is notable. Therefore, BJP needs to take considered decisions about caste census in order to save its alliance. When it comes to opposition, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said his life mission is to conduct caste census in India, claiming it leads to social development of the marginalized communities in the country. And mostly, all India bloc partners support Congress party's move. It's widely known that caste is a major factor in politics, so no doubt that the issue of caste census will remain in the news cycle for some time to come. Do follow this contentious issue and watch this space. This is Ketra Bala of 2nd BA Journalism for MOP Mojo.